So another way is how to use your neck position. 首の使い方のバリエーションだけど、普通にまっすぐ立ってで
Standing straight.
Yeah, standing straight. Then try to move like this. So neck is pretty much going together. 首は同じ感じ。全然首使ってないんで、体と同時に移動する感じ。で今度これを首を残す感じ。And then, so that was your head stay in one spot, and then your shoulder and arms extended over there, but head stayed the same spot. This. And another way is your heads and my hands going like together,
The same direction. Same way.
So my body experience is doing the same move, but it looks different. Together. Opposite. And together. You can do the same idea for the cobra too. So you're doing the cobra together. Right. And then you stay here. So and then going actually far, going more out. So going so this way and that way too. So boom, 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 boom. And together. And going opposite. So you can change the neck positions and it looks different. 首のポジション変えるだけで、見た目が3パターン作れるんで美味しいんで。
レギュラーと、
いやいや。そう普通のやつと首を置いていくやつと首が一緒にやっていくやつ。でこう極端に出してやってもいいし、またこうやってもいいし、こう出しっぱなしでやってもいいし、こう引きっぱなしでやってもいいし。一緒に行ってもいいし。